Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take money out of your crypto. Calm Visa card. The most direct way to access cash is through an ATM. You can use your card at virtually any ATM globally that displays the Visa or Visa Plus logo. Simply insert your card, input your personal identification number, and choose the cash withdrawal option. Remember to always have enough funds loaded onto your card before heading to an ATM. Beyond ATMs, your crypto. Calm Visa card functions just like a regular debit card for everyday spending. You can confidently use it for purchases at millions of merchants worldwide, both in physical stores and online. Simply swipe, insert, or tap your card, or enter your card details for online transactions. Plus, you can earn valuable crypto rewards on your spending, making it a smart choice for daily use. It's important to be aware of the limits associated with your crypto. Calm Visa card. Each card tier comes with a set amount of free ATM withdrawals per month, which could be, for instance, up to $800. If you withdraw more than this free limit, a 2% fee will apply to the excess amount. Additionally, there are daily and monthly limits for purchases, which can be as high as $25,000. While the crypto, Calm Visa card offers many benefits, it's good to know about potential fees. As mentioned, a 2% fee is charged for ATM withdrawals above your monthly free allowance. For international travel or non-local currency transactions, some card tiers might incur a foreign transaction fee, often around 3%. Also, be mindful of an inactivity fee, usually about $5 per month, if your card remains unused for 12 consecutive months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.